Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. We're doing a massive subscription box haul, and I have a huge variety of boxes to share with you guys. Some of them I ordered because I love them. Some of them were sent to me complimentary and I was surprised. I didn't even know they were coming. And others I have partnered with. So without further ado, I'm just gonna grab and we're gonna go. This is My First Reading Club. We have been subscribers of My First Reading Club for over 2 years. It is a kids book subscription. I don't remember the exact cost, but I believe it's under 20 bucks. It is not expensive. And we always get books that are perfect for my kids' age group. So we had it for my youngest, who's 5, and she got the perfect boxes. Now we have it for my 9-year-old, and they're sending, once again, perfect books. They are brand new, they are not used. So we got The Boy, the Bird, and the Coffin Maker. That sounds cute. Twilight Land. Dragon Art, Mythical Monsters. Oh, look. And they can learn to draw. Whoopsies. And then we got The Mom Gift is a, oh gosh, that smells good. A rainwater oatmeal lavender soap, and they always do a little parent gift inside. And the last book is The Frame Up. We typically receive 3 to 4 books plus the mom gift every single time. And I do highly recommend this kids book subscription. They have been great and wonderful to us for several years. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, so next is Artsa. This is a brand new box to me. I have never unboxed, reviewed anything with them. It says The Holy Land Delivered ArtzaBox. And this says location Bethlehem. And it has handpicked, locally sourced. Okay, very cool. Oh wow, that's really pretty. That's a great first impression, like when you open the box, it's gorgeous. On top here, we have what's included in this quarters box, and it lists out the items. I don't want it to be spoiled, so I'm not gonna read. These are gorgeous postcards. Church of the Nativity, Shepherd's Field. Oh, ingredients and instructions to bake Halva almond swirl cookies. Well, that sounds good. And then this looks like it talks about the products and the person who made the product's story. So the paperwork in here is excellent. Very intricate, very thorough. You feel connected, like, to the people who are making these items. Okay. Tables That Talk. And I don't know that this is a spoiler box. I cannot, I don't know. I just told them to send me a box. I don't know if this is this season's or if it's a previous season. I don't want to be responsible for that. Tables That Talk. Something I discovered about myself this year. A hobby I would like to adopt this year. And I guess you can fill in the blank. And there's a bunch of them. These are cool. Very good, like the paper quality is really good. The colors are really good. It's a soft print, they feel pretty. This is cool. Next is 20 Postcards of Israel by Photo House. And inside, yeah, oh my gosh, these are great print, they feel good. Oh, I can't read it. It's not in English, but they're beautiful. Look at them all. So there you go, they look like they're black and white postcards from Israel. Oh, interesting. It's a plate with Bethlehem on it. But I would assume it's one you hang. It has actually a hole through here, so it would be a decorative plate. Very, very pretty, very unique in how you would use that. But I guess if you ordered this box, that would be something in line with what you would love. Finster's Toffee with Salt. That is something everyone can love. These look so good. Yay, I would eat one of these, but by the time I finish chewing, this video would need to be over. Proudly hand poured in Israel. Bethlehem All Natural, handmade in Israel. What is it? It's a candle and it smells amazing. It's a little bitty guy, but I love him. I do not know what scent. It says Candle Club, House of Light and Scent. Maybe it's the Bethlehem scent. Anyways, smells really good. I love candles. Candles are always a win. There is an ornament, a wood ornament in here. Okay, there's a lot in this box. And did you notice when I read earlier, it is quarterly. So that makes sense. I usually send a bit more. Rusty's Nut Butters. Oh, I wonder in that recipe. The recipe I pulled earlier. I bet you use this. Oh, here's another ornament. So this is definitely the Christmas box. Very cute. It's still going, y'all. These are 6 Emmanuel coasters. Those are pretty. I think those are really, really pretty. And then lastly, we have Holy Chocolate. It's 60% cacao, dark chocolate, and peppermint. There we go. Okay, this is a ton of stuff. This is ArtzaBox, and this is the Bethlehem box. Okay, moving right along because I want you to get a chance to peek in all of these. And then if you like them and you like what you're seeing, go below, get the link to sign up, see what coupon codes I have, see what the costs are, all that. We're not gonna cover it here. This is 8 Saints. Don't know what they are, what they do. I have never heard of them before. Oh, it's men's skincare. Okay, this is the Pep Rally Gel Radiance Serum. This is Cloud Whip C Cream with vitamin C antioxidants. And this is Down to Earth Swirled Mud Gel Cleanser. Okay, so 8 Saints is 8 ingredients, infinite results. 8 Saints uses the most effective natural skin ingredients in their skincare. Okay, so it's just a skincare line. I don't know if these are full size or sample size, but oh, that's a great container. Beautiful container, in fact. I don't know, looks cool to me. If you are looking for skincare, go check out 8 Saint. I will link below what I know. This is a favorite in this household. We love Bespoke Post. They're just the best box. They're a subscription box that you get to preview your items before they're shipped. And if for any reason you don't preview it and you don't like it, you can return it and exchange it. It is a really, really, really great men's box. And rumor on the block is they're starting a women's division of Bespoke Post. This box is the Essence box. I don't know if my husband custom ordered this or if this is just what came. The boxes don't work like a traditional subscription box necessarily, so this is not a spoiler. Alchemista alcohol infusion vessel. Gosh, he is going to love this. In black denim, the infusion, clove, cinnamon, vanilla. So you take your bourbon, rye, rum, scotch, tequila, mezcal, vodka, whatever, and you blend it with this, and then you put it in this, and I guess it sits and it melds and it meshes. I don't really know, but what I do know is that my husband is going to flip out when he sees this because this is right up his alley. And I can say these boxes always are. Highly recommend Bespoke Post. I'm pretty sure I have a $20 off your first, so look below for that code and you can sign up and try it out at $20. Skipping online is easy. Swapping your boxes during your preview is easy. Highly recommend. Okay, let's see what else I got. This is Pink Box Hair Accessories. I do not know anything about this one, but we'll discover together. So here we go. Share with your friends. Oh, and get 50% off. Okay, I'll link up that code. Is it for kids or is it for adults? Oh, here's a little welcome note. And, oh no, it's for adults. Okay, it's for adults. Yay, for me. So it's just hair accessories. Pink Box Hair Accessories. 2 scrunchies. I'm looking at the quality. Okay, not amazing. I'm not gonna call this like amazing. Oh look, cute little sticker. It says follow your heart. Decent quality. Not over the top luxurious, definitely not super cheap. They seem like those are good. I'm real picky about a scrunchie. When they're really, really cheap, they tear up your hair, the elastic pops. These seem good. Oh, like the silk bow ones, these are really popular right now. Oh, my little page, you would look cute in these. Maybe I'll share. So we got these two. A purple jeweled headband. My youngest does all things purple, so I'm gonna lose this the minute she sees it. Comment below if you think that scrunchies are back. I'm like in my head going through, knowing that scrunchies are back and people are wearing them. I just don't ever wear them. But if you wear them, I just wanna know, do people wear them? Tell me if you wear them. I do want to start incorporating these. Can y'all see these clips real quick? I want to start incorporating these to do little pin backs with my curly hair. A lot of the big hair influencers are doing that. So those are super cute. I actually really, really, really love those. Same with these. Same with these. I really, really, really love these. Okay, these are more rubber bands. Just rubber bands. Lots of hair stuff. These are tricky. I mean, I'm sure there's a way to do it, but I have this curly hair. These pearls would be so tangled up in my hair so fast. Woo! More scrunchies. Once again, my assessment is still that they're not like super high quality, but they're definitely not cheapy. They're like a middle of the road. This is the box that keeps on giving. Oh, is it like the thing that wraps a ponyo? Like you put your hair in a pony and then you wrap this around your pony? Because it's a slap bracelet. I don't know if it's supposed to be a slap bracelet, but it is a slap bracelet, but I can see you wrapping it around your hair also. And then two more smaller ponytails that my big old thick hair would break in about 5 seconds, but you thin hair girls would look cute in it. So I don't know if they have different types of boxes. I don't know anything about that. I just know that this box has a whole bunch of stuff in it. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, I'm gonna grab all of these as a group. I have already filmed a separate unboxing of these. This is Happily Date Box. This is Hunt a Killer Box, which could be great for a date night. And this is Scavenger Box, which is great for a date night. And I filmed a separate unboxing. You can go up, click here to watch us go into detail. I wrangled my husband. It's all goodness. If you're interested in these, go watch that video. Okay. Next, I have an oldie but a goodie for me. This is Yoga Club workout athleisure wear yoga clothes. I have been with them for 3 years or more. Love, love, love their stuff. I have a great coupon code. Get it below to sign up with. In this one I got, that is an epic spring color. The green sports bra. Oh, this is like such a spring box. This is so cute. Leggings, which by the way, have a pocket leggings. And a really thin, great long sleeve top. This is super cute. You get to select your coloring. I have the Bring It On wild color. You can select black and white. You don't have to get crazy like me. I think I pay $59 for all 3 items. These pants alone have a retail value from Lycra, by the way, of $92. And our Viactive is who makes those. This has a retail value of $65. And this has a retail value of $52. These are like the real brand tags, not like Yoga Club made up prices. So this is a killer deal. You can skip also, because I mean, well, I don't, but you can skip if you want to. I wear these as my mom clothes. Great, great mom clothes. This is another one I love, Booty Bag. They are an underwear subscription. Now, not your grandma cotton underwear, like I love those, I'm down with those, but these are your more cutesy underwear. I have had their subscription off and on for about 2 years, and they are great. I wear a size small in Booty Bag, by the way. So this month I got these black little undies with a scalloped edge, which are so freaking cute. I love those. They're silky, they're soft. And then, ooh, high-waisted, ruffled, clearly Valentine undies. You do get to choose. You can choose thongs, you can choose full undie, which is what I have, or you can choose mix. I don't like thongs, so I go for the full undie. I do have a coupon code. It is linked below. This is Booty Bag, and they are awesome. Okay, this is a huge haul that I'm doing right now. So I'm breaking it up into 2 parts so it's more digestible. I'm gonna release part 2 tomorrow, so enjoy this. Go check these out and subscribe And join me tomorrow to see the rest of what we have.